The first thing that comes to my mind when I think about lomography is fun. And the second thing is experimental. Every time I've shot a lomography film in the past was a fun experience for sure. But I never expected any good result from that. And since I'm coming back full force to my analog passion, I'm trying to shoot as many film stocks as I can. And I couldn't ignore the Lady Grey 400, a black and white film that promises smooth grain and stunning tones. So it was about time to load my Canon EOS 2000 and shoot my muse, Toronto. The first day I shot this film was a nice clear day of fall. I could even try to capture some birds, and to be honest, I'm not disappointed with the result. This film delivers a very nice contrast, which I love. At the same time, you can capture a lot of details, especially on the shadows. I have to say I'm well impressed by this film and its price. You can get it in a pack of 3 rolls for less than $20. On the second day I shot this film, it was snowing, and although the result was not bad, I'd say I'd rather shoot this film on sunny days. And because of its beautiful contrast and 400 ISO, I believe it would be great for street photography. So stay tuned for that. Overall, I really like this film, and I'm definitely gonna shoot more with it. Lady Grey can be the go-to black and white film for those who, like me, shoot as a hobby but aim for good quality. It's versatile and affordable, so yes, I think I'm always gonna have some in my fridge. If you like this film as much as I do or want to know more about it, subscribe to my channel because I'm planning to develop this film at home and of course share all my process with you. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me your thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. See you in my next video. Tchau, até logo!